Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn. Hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to sum by dates in Excel. If you are working with sales data that has dates, and say you want to find out the total sales in a period. Example, you want to sum total sales in the first half of the year. The first half of the year starts on the 1st of January 2020 and ends on the 30th of June 2020. So my goal is to come into this amount column and sum dates that are greater than or equal to this start point and these that are less than and equal to this end point. Now, to do this, we can use Excel's sum ifs. There are two versions. The first one is used when you have only one criteria you are using to sum. Second one that ends with an S is used when you have more than one criteria. In this case, we have two criteria, a start date and an end date. So we use this version. It requires the sum range. The sum range is the column that contains the numbers you are going to sum. So here, my sales amount represents my sum range. So I'll highlight that and I'll bring my comma. When you highlight your sum range, you are supposed to put in a criteria range and a criteria. To know your criteria range, you should know your criteria. Your criteria simply is the date or the word or any item you are using as basis to sum in this data set. So in this case, a date is my criteria. So my criteria range is where the date sits in my data set. So this is my criteria range. It's out of this my criteria will come from. So I've highlighted this range as my criteria range and I'll proceed and put in my criteria. Now there are two ways. If you have the date in a cell, you can put the greater than and equal to in double quotes like I have here, and then join it with the ampersand symbol and then select your date. So that is one way to do that. Now if you don't have the date in a cell, you could proceed directly and then enter the dates after the greater than and equal to, and then you close your double quote. So either way, you need to enter it correctly. So I'm going to use the first option where I select the date from a cell. So this completes my first criteria range and criteria, and then I will do it for the end point. Same criteria range, I'll bring my comma, and then my criteria is double quotes less than greater than, and then I'll join it with this end date. So going over, this is my sum range where the numbers are. My criteria range is the date column. My criteria is greater than equal to the start date. My criteria range 2 is the same date range, and then my criteria is dates less than equal to my cutoff date. You could add more if there were more criteria. At this point you close and then you press enter. So dates in the half year are these first two. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.